Hello, all you beautiful and amazing people. It's Jennifer here. We're back this week talking about the heart chakra, the color green. And the heart chakra, as you can imagine, is all about love and compassion, self-love, acceptance. And I kind of feel like I could really use a little bit of that right now. So I thought it would be fun today if I take you into my bathroom and show you a few of the things I like to do to recreate a spa at home. So before I get started, I really like to have everything set up in place so that I'm not running in and out of the bathroom, and that I can really kind of take some time to relax and have a moment of tender care just for myself. So I have got a few things in here that I think are spa essentials. Starting with something to drink. Often I like to have a peppermint tea. I find peppermint tea in the wintertime is so good because it's such a good mood lifter. But today I opted to go for some water. I've recreated this drink that I first actually had at a spa. It is chlorophyll in water. This one is a lime and basil flavor. It's not the taste for everybody. I absolutely love it. I think it tastes so good. But sometimes I call it my swamp water because it does kind of have a little bit of a swampy taste to it. This is really good for you. It's very hydrating. It's got a lot of minerals and vitamins in it. And if you're finding that you didn't have enough vegetables during the week, this is a great thing to drink. I love it because I kind of want to feel like I'm detoxing a little bit, so that's why I opted for that. I also have some beautiful Mont-Sage soap in the rose because such a lovely scent, and also a very good for balancing the heart chakra. So that's why I've chosen that scent, and I'm also going to add a little bit of rose oil into my bath water. The other thing that I have for my bath water is some sea salt. Now, this is something that may seem counterintuitive to add sea salt to your water. It is so good for your skin. It's such a great detoxer, not expensive. I do it all the time. It's so nourishing for my skin, and it is not drying like you would probably think. It's actually adds a lot of moisture and feels really good. Lately, my skin has been so dry, and so this feels like an essential. And I will go ahead and add probably about a cup of sea salt to my bath water. And then today I decided to make myself a little bit of a face mask, a nourishing face mask, because like I said, my skin has been super duper dry, especially on my face, which is kind of new for me. So I went ahead and made a face mask with some aloe vera gel, a little bit of turmeric to get rid of dark blemishes, some honey, and some milk. So this is going to be nice and moisturizing. I will put this recipe up on the website. And finally, for after my bath, I have this pine oil that I made last year. You may remember this. It's so nourishing for the skin, especially on my dry skin. So after getting out of the bath, when your skin is still a little bit damp, it's nice to lather on a bunch of oil. Feels so good. So that's for afterward. Of course, I have some candles. I've got some magazines. Going to just relax and have a little bit of time just for me, a little self-care time. I invite you to do the same this weekend if you're feeling like you need to give yourself a nice big hug. And that's about it. I didn't really think you would want to see me in the bath, so I'm going to shut the door, say goodbye. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, of course, and lastly, don't forget to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram.